Welcome to Drinks Macao Beach, Punta Cana. We are a family resort. We have 500 rooms distributed in 16 rooms categories. Half of those rooms are part of the preferred club, where the guests have extra amenities. They have access to a preferred pool for families, another preferred pool for adults only. We have in total six a la carte restaurants, seven bars, one main buffet. We also have a beautiful spa, a beautiful beach, and a water park for the little kids, another part of the water park for big kids and adults. We have everything for everyone in the family.
So here we are coming into the main lobby. We have a lobby bar, lounge area here to the right. Very nice bar here. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna head over to the water park. So here we are. We arrived at the water park. Great for accommodating smaller children. The water park does open at 10 a.m. daily, and it does close at 6 p.m. And it's right up front near the main lobby. So here we have a junior suite, pool view. Nice soak tub there. And you have the view through from the tub out to the bedroom and out to the pool view. This is a king room. And then you do have that pool view out to the water park. Very nice. Okay, so here we have the secret box for your room service where the employees don't need to enter the room. They can place your items here. And then when you're done, you just put them back there and they'll pick them up from the outside without coming in. Have your closet with your robes, those beautiful, comfortable Dreams robes. Have your mini bar here, stocked up. Juices, beer, sodas, water. And here we are at the large water park for adults and teenagers. And it does have the lazy river and the water park. Have a bar there and a food truck as well. And this water park is surrounded by preferred club rooms. So if you decide to reserve in the preferred club, you'll be right here, just outside of the water park and the lazy river. Very beautiful area. Nice and quiet over in this section, especially this time of year. This is considered low season. We are in the end of September. So the resort is pretty quiet and peaceful. Not a lot of crowds. So if you like it this way, this is a great time of year to visit And usually prices are typically lower this time of year as well. So if you're looking for a quiet, relaxing vacation at a good price point, this time of year is great for that. And this area here is called Macao Plaza. It's a great space. They do utilize this for events. So if you're having a wedding, birthday party, anniversary party, things like that, they'll set this space up here to accommodate your group. And here's the World Cafe. Chip. So you have your main buffet here at World Cafe.
Okay, this area is one of the main areas of the hotel. Most of the restaurants are here. We have the Mexican restaurant, which is El Patio. We have Bordeaux, which is the French restaurant. Portofino is Italian. Himitsu is the Japanese restaurants. No reservations are required for none of the restaurants.
The Japanese restaurant here, this is the only one that does require reservations. Everything else is first come, first serve. So that's great. Oftentimes, that's a big deal with the resorts is fighting to get reservations. So it's excellent that they have that set up here where you're not required to make reservations only at the Japanese restaurant here. Here you have the Coco Cafe where you can get coffee and snacks, donuts and things like that. This is open 24 hours a day. So let's take a look inside of here.
Thank you.
De nada.
Thank you.
De nada. Nice little cafe here. And again, this is 24 hours, so you always have that access. Here you have the gym, and it is open from 6 a.m. until 9 p.m. daily. Here you have the preferred lounge check-in. So if you're booked in the preferred club, this is where you would come in and have your private check-in. Nice comfortable lounge here. Have a little bar and cafe over there. Have your snacks here. Nice comfortable space. Here you have the preferred club pool, which is adults only. And this is from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. You do get extra hours with this pool. Most pools normally close at 6 p.m. So having those extra 2 hours where you can relax in the adults only pool, that's great. Okay, here we have the preferred guests only Oceana restaurant. For breakfast and lunch, it is preferred guests only. And then at night, it converts to an a la carte, which is seafood for all guests. Nice, comfortable little area here. Buenos dias. And you have your bar area here.
Hello.
Buenos dias.
Bienvenido a Dominican Republic.
Gracias, gracias.
Mimosa.
Sí, gracias. Excellent.
So this is the main pool of Dreams Macao Beach. Here is where most of the entertainment activities takes place, and it is an infinity pool with a beautiful view of Macao Beach, and also we have a swim up bar for everyone.
Here's the swim up bar, and you have a beautiful view out here to Macau Beach. Here we are arriving at Macau Beach. Very nice view there. So here to the right, you have the preferred area. So that's for the preferred club guests. And then the general guest here to the left. And here on the Dreams Macau Resort, they do offer surf lessons. So you can schedule that if you're interested in surfing. Macau Beach is one of the few zones here in the Punta Cana area where you can actually surf. So if that's of interest to you, you can definitely get those lessons here for surfing. Hola, buenos días. Muchas gracias. A great point here about Macau beaches, they very rarely get seaweed. So even during the summer months when it's typically seaweed season here in Punta Cana, if you'll notice, the beach is immaculate. There's no seaweed here at all. Very clean, very nice view, totally unobstructed. So oftentimes what happens is during the summer months primarily from May until October, November timeframe. There's a lot of seaweed that washes up on the shores here in Punta Cana. But as you can see here, no seaweed at all at Macau Beach. So if you're interested in a beach that doesn't get any seaweed or very, very little, Dreams Macau is a great place to come.